Here's how to set up the Parrot MAMBO. Insert the battery or press the on-off button to turn on the Parrot MAMBO. Now, download the free Flight Mini application from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Activate the Bluetooth function in your smartphone or tablet and open the free Flight Mini application.
Free Flight automatically detects Parrot Minidrones situated around you.
A list of drones will appear. Select your drone. Wait until the LEDs change to green. The Parrot MAMBO is now ready. You are now connected to the Parrot MAMBO. And your drone is now ready for takeoff.